Okay, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video on the channel with yours truly, Scott Tyler. These glasses, you can see the reflection, so I'm going to take those off right now. And you're probably wondering why I'm recording with a headset. I'm just trying to test out this microphone. It should sound really good. This is the Boom Pro mic by V-Moda. If you want to go check them out, you can check them out on V-Moda's website or on Amazon. Either works. But yeah, let's hop into the main gist of this video, which is an update about what's going to be coming on the channel in the near future, just because I haven't uploaded in a little while, and I thought I owe you guys an explanation of where I've been and where the channel is going in the future and the goals I have on the channel. So first off, I've been gone for a little bit just because of graduation, and I've been busy with that. That's taken up a lot of my time, and I really didn't have a choice. Like, I had to do that, so I had to put the channel on pause, had to put my podcast on pause, which is completely fine because we're going to be picking that up in the future. Probably wondering when I'm going to be uploading on this channel, right? I mean, that's probably the most important thing, obviously. You want to be knowing when my videos go live. I don't want it to be random. I want it so that you guys can expect the video to go live. You can look forward to it, obviously. I've heard consistency is key on YouTube, so I'm going to be sticking with that formula. Upload time on this channel is going to be 12 p.m. Wednesday, every Wednesday, going forward from now on. So that's 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you live in a different time zone, you obviously have to convert that by going forward in time or backward in time, depending on what time zone you're in and how many hours in advance or before you have to change that. So every Wednesday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can expect a video from me on this channel. Now, what videos can you expect? You're probably wondering that. It's going to be same formula once again. What I've been doing, with a little change. I've mentioned, I'm going to be mentioning this in my next video, how I want to have a dedicated space where I can film every time. Have my camera on a tripod, me sitting behind some sort of desk, unboxing something or checking out a product, something in that realm of content, you know, similar to Unbox Therapy or Massive Tech unboxing videos, where the person is standing behind a desk, they're sitting or standing. Lou normally sits on Unbox Therapy, but others stand, products in front of them, opening the products up, talking about the products, stuff like that. In addition to that, it'll also be tech reviews. Those videos will usually be more freeform. I'll be filming in different locations, more B-roll, stuff like that. More similar to Marques Brownlee videos. Higher quality, takes more time to produce. The unboxing videos usually can go pretty quickly, and I don't have to do too much editing, which is great. However, if a company contacts me, obviously I'm going to put more effort into it, but if I do a Massive Tech unboxing, I can check out a bunch of different products at once, do a brief overview of all the products within a short time span, and still make every company happy. And make you guys happy, because I know that's really entertaining content, because I like that stuff. If I like it, then most of the people watching this will also like it. So yeah, I want to as I mentioned before, I want to cooperate with more brands. My email is on the About page. I probably have to add that to my description as well, so I'll make a note of that. It's scotttylermedia21@gmail.com. I put that up in one of my videos. It's in my About page on my YouTube channel. But if a company wants to contact me, just hit me up in the email. That's the best way to reach me. YouTube comments is not very good. I respond to almost every comment. However, email is more official if you actually want to get in contact with me. Don't abuse that. It's mainly for companies. I'm not really going to be chatting with fans in the emails. If you want to chat with me, just leave a comment down below. Productivity videos as well. I'm going to be incorporating some sort of productivity tips within my videos. Obviously, because I like being productive. Sure, you guys all want to be productive. I want to give you tips on how to be more productive, and I also want to learn along the way and throughout the process, and I want to improve my productivity skills because I'm always looking to do so. So I'm going to be focusing on quality over quantity. On Life Made Easy, I struggled because I focused on quantity over quality. I really thought that if you just pump out as many videos as possible, you're bound to grow, and I did grow, but I didn't gain a loyal fan base. So I think you can grow either way. The best is to have both quality and quantity, but my Life Made Easy kind of lacked quality in some senses. Some people enjoyed it, some people didn't, I don't know, but I gained a lot of subs from my videos. However, those videos didn't really produce loyal fans who came back and watched all my content, if you know what I mean. Also, I wasn't niched down on that channel. I produced a variety of different content. The variance was very high among the content, or the type of content I was producing. This channel is very focused on technology itself, consumer technology, a lot of Samsung content. So I have a lot of Samsung fans on this channel, which is cool because I'm also a Samsung fan. But yeah, quality over quantity, that's why I'm producing one video a week. It also give me a chance to get ahead on videos, schedule more stuff, really plan for videos. Having a week to produce a video is great. And also when I'm going to be starting a full-time job, it's nice that I have videos in the pipeline and I can use weekends to edit and stuff like that, or maybe edit after work. So I think it'll all work out in the long run. Filmora has a very new feature, which is great. I can literally select a check, like a little check mark when I'm exporting a video. It will use AI to basically look through my whole video and produce a section of that video, kind of like render it separately, little short clip, and I can produce it for a 15-second TikTok, a YouTube short, some other option there, but it'll basically use AI to cut out a portion of that video and save it as a separate MP4 file, which I can then upload to TikTok, which I'm going to be doing as well, because TikTok's going to be mostly like highlights of my videos, which is cool. I made TikTok sort of me reviewing products like really quickly, and I like that still, but I also think this new feature on Filmora kind of kills two birds with one stone, if that makes sense. And I'm also doing a giveaway at 1,000 subs, Galaxy Buds Pros, signed by me, sent out to a lucky fan. 1,000 subs is a huge one because it's, I don't know, it's you're in the thousands and not in the hundreds anymore. I feel like everyone tries to shoot for 1,000. It's the hardest goal on YouTube, just starting out. After that, it becomes a little easier. But after that, I'm going to be sending out Galaxy Buds Pros to one lucky fan who I get in contact with. I don't know if I'm going to be doing that via TikTok or just YouTube comments, but I'll set up some sort of giveaway and set up some sort of process where you guys can submit, participate in my giveaway, whatever. So yeah. And that's also when we become monetized at 1,000 subs, which is also huge. Because once again, obviously, I love reviewing tech. I love working with companies. But in the end, this is a business. I have to support myself somehow. And also, in regards to the TikTok stuff, in regards to some of the series on here, please recommend tech products that you want me to check out. If you can find the link on Amazon, just leave a comment down below, or leave just the name of the product with the link or something like that, because I would love to take a look at products that you guys recommend on the channel, because I'm going to be incorporating that into my unboxing series where I go out and I buy the products you guys recommend and I do a quick video on the channel. And I feel like that can spark a lot of growth and also kind of encourage companies to send me out products and check them out on the channel. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. Hopefully we can get to 1,000 sub goal so we can do the giveaway. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video on the channel by Scott Tyler. Peace out, guys.